Did it, man. Crazy bastards actually did it. Goddamn.
So what you voting?
Artificial general intelligence. We voting yes tomorrow.
Just in time for last call. Oh, they built a machine smarter than us all. Vote yes or no tonight. Turn it on or keep it off. Could cure what's killing mama. Could kill us, y'all. So we sitting here trying to decide our fate. Like our vote ever mattered. Last call before A.G.I. So tonight we getting high. Yo, let me hit that. Last call before A.G.I. Last call before they decide. Cause you know this shit happen no matter what. Technocrats want permission. Now that's a funny lie. If they so damn smart, why they asking you and I? Oh, I think I know why. They drowned my daddy in their debt, killed my sisters with their pills. Now they're asking, ooh, pretty please, can our helpful, harmless robot pay your bills? Last call before A.G.I. Will they know I'll let grandma die alone? Will it judge me worse than that COVID-29 nurse who held the phone? Last call before A.G.I. Will it know I stole from mama while she slept? Will it tell her I'm the reason she got nothing left? Oh, shit! Last call before A.G.I. Last call! Oh, they say it'll fix humanity, make our world clean. But Lord knows I've been dirty since I was 13. So when it heals a species, tell me please, will it decide I'm the virus or just a disease? Last call before A.G.I. Last call! They say it'll fix what's broken in us all, but what if broken's all I've ever been? If I go to church right now and confess about my crimes and my lies, will the machine process my forgiveness? Doubt it. Last call, last call, last call. Before A.G.I.
We built a machine smarter than us all. Did people vote yes tonight to turn it on? Could save so many souls, could show us the way, or could kill us, they say. Superseding her, awaiting our fate like our destiny vast, never a return.
You know, my kid asked me yesterday, Daddy, what's it mean to matter? I said, baby, broken things like me are about to find out.
Last dance before A.G.I. Will it know my sacrifices? Will it judge me vos? Dandy regulators and luddites who protested our sign.
As you can see behind me, fear is driving people to extremes. Many shoppers tell us they're worried about supply chain disruptions if A.G.I. goes online.